Hello, my dear friends. I have come with my video of the data engineering lab with Python, the video number lab 07. In this video, we are performing the exercise of exception handling and writing the log files using the Python code. We read the data from the CSV file, and the CSV file containing missing values, containing duplicate records. We just read the data, print into the VS Code terminal, and also printed those lines and those records into the log file and create the log file into the output folder. So please check the video. So let's start lab 07. In the lab 07, we are reading the data from the customer orders CSV file. From here, we read the data and we performing the exception handling and logging. So, and the log will be written into the output folder. So let's start. Come into the pipeline.test.py, start the coding, import pandas as PD, import logging. Because we performing the logging operation and exception handling and write the log, that's why we have to import the logging. Next, configure logging. Logging dot basic config bracket open close. Here file name double quotation. We will be write the log into the output folder, so we give the path of output slash, maybe we give the file name as pipeline dot log. Okay, next, level is equal to logging dot info, comma, format is equal to double quotation percent given ASC time S minus percent bracket open close level name S minus percent message S and double quotation end. Yes, this is our logging format. It will be taking the ASCII time sets, level name, and print the messages. Okay, we just put one print here. Print, here we given lab 07 exception handling and logging. Yes, logging dot info. Here pipeline started. This print will come into the this print line will come the output into our VS Code terminal, and in this log file which will be written into the output folder, here in the logging file this text will be printed pipeline started. Next, for exception handling we using try colon step 1, sorry, Step 1, read data set. df is equal to pd.read csv. We read the file from the input folder, so we give input slash, our file name is customers orders csv, customers underscore orders drs orders dot csv. I think the spelling is correct, customers underscore orders dot csv. Yes. Next, print \n data set loaded successfully. Next, print df. Yes. Next, logging.info data set loaded successfully. Yes. Next, step 2, total records. Total underscore records is equal to len of df, data frame object length. Print \n total records colon space comma, will print total records here. Yes. We can put one logging info here. Logging.info if double quotation total records colon space within second bracket you will print, paste here the total records. Yes. Next, step 3, missing values. Creating missing value data frame object. Missing values is equal to df dot is null dot sum dot sum. Next, we put one print here \n total missing values colon, here we print this value, paste it, missing values. Yes. Next, logging.info if missing values colon, within second bracket we put here, copy the missing values and paste it here, missing values. Yes. Next, step 4, duplicate records. Creating duplicate records data frame object df dot duplicated dot sum. Next, print \n duplicate records colon space comma, copy this duplicate records data frame object and paste it here. Yes. Next, logging info f duplicate records colon in second bracket, copy this object and paste it here. Yes, we are simultaneously working in the printing into the terminal, and also the same text will be printed into our log file, which will be created under the output folder. Okay. Next, print double quotation \n pipeline executed successfully. This will be printed logging.info pipeline completed successfully. Yes. Next, except. We are writing the exception handling here. File not found error. What we writing? Print input file not found, and also we write the log for that. So logging dot error. We can copy the same text here, copy that and paste here. Yes. Except we are one more exception handling. Exception as e print unexpected error colon space comma, we can paste near e. Logging dot exception pipeline failed. Yes. Next, finally block print \n pipeline finished. Here logging dot info, we can pipeline finished. Yes. Here we give the try block and using the exception handling block and the finally block. Okay, now we are already sitting into the lab 07 path, so we will execute this file. Python pipeline, spelling mistake, sorry, pipeline underscore file is test.py. Enter. Yes. My dear friends, you can see into the terminal the result is printed, and also the pipeline.log file is created under the output folder. First we are go through the terminal. Here first of all we given the exception handling text, just printed here the lab 07 exception handling and logging, that is printed. Then we write into the logging folder, logging info pipeline started. Go to the log file. This is our log file. Here print pipeline started. Next here we give the read the data from the customer and customer ordered CSV and print data set loaded successfully. It loaded the actual data. Then we are printing here total records 10, and also we are giving the logging info of total records. The same value is printed into the log file also. Total records 10. Yes. Next we given total missing values into the printing, total missing values. The same thing is given for the logging info. So this is also come into the missing values into the log file. Next we print the duplicate records print here. We also write the log for the duplicate records. Go to the log file. Here also duplicate records is printed. Again come back here. Then we writing the pipeline executed successfully. This line is printed. In the logging file we have written pipeline completed successfully. Go to the log file. Here printed pipeline completed successfully. Next here we are giving the file not found error. If the customer order.csv file will be not exist here, in that case this exception will be thrown, that input file not found, or any some reason if the pipeline execution failed, this logging exception will be failed. Next we are printing pipeline finished, and the pipeline finished printed here, and in the logging info we printed pipeline finished. Here also pipeline finished is printed. This is our try, exception handling and finally block. And we all know, who knows the, I think we are all knowing about the OOPS concept, minimum object oriented concept. In that case try catch exception handling, we know all about. The finally block will always execute it. So either my pipeline is fail or success, this block is executed. Okay, my dear friends, that's all for today's lab 07. Thank you for watching.